This presentation highlights the core research foundations that informed the design of the Building Stronger Readers workshop. The sources included here reflect decades of scientific study on how reading develops in the brain, why explicit and structured instruction is essential, and which components of literacy matter most for long-term success. By grounding instructional practices in established cognitive science and educational research, this workshop aims to support teaching and learning decisions that help more students become confident, proficient readers. Dr. Duan's neuroscience demonstrates that the human brain is not biologically wired for reading. Instead, reading recruits and reconfigures areas originally designed for vision and spoken language. As children gain proficiency, their brains become more efficient at linking written symbols to sound and meaning. Instruction that makes these connections explicit plays a crucial role in building skilled reading circuits. Dr. Seidenberg's research highlights that decoding and language processing must become rapid and automatic for comprehension to occur. When students spend too much mental effort recognizing words, there's little left for understanding text. Literacy instruction, therefore, must support both accuracy and speed in word recognition to enable strong comprehension. Dr. Lene Airy describes orthographic mapping as the mental process that enables readers to store written words for automatic retrieval. This happens when students connect the sequence of letters to the sequence of sounds in spoken language and attach meaning to the word. With repeated successful mapping, words are recognized effortlessly, allowing students to focus attention on understanding the text. Dr. Scarborough's reading rope illustrates that reading development involves many interwoven strands, including vocabulary, morphology, background knowledge, decoding, and fluency. When any area is weak, comprehension suffers. This model underscores the importance of ongoing, coordinated attention to both oral language and word-level skills across all grade levels. The simple view of reading offers a clear equation. Comprehension is the product of decoding and language comprehension. When either component is compromised, students experience difficulty making sense of text. This clarity supports more precise instructional planning and promotes data-driven decisions about how best to support readers who struggle. Dr. Spear-Swirling's work emphasized structured literacy as an effective and equitable approach. Many students need more than implicit discovery-based reading instruction. Without structured supports grounded in reading science, skill gaps often widen over time. Implementing structured literacy practices helps ensure that all students, including those with dyslexia or other learning differences, can become proficient readers. The NAEP, also known as the nation's report card, shows that only a minority of students reach reading proficiency nationwide, with recent results hovering around 30% for both 4th and 8th graders. Notably, scores for the highest performing students have either remained relatively stable or increasing, while results for the lowest performing students have perpetually declined. This widening gap points to systematic challenges rather than student-level deficits, highlighting the need for reading instruction aligned with the science of reading. The Sold a Story investigation, which aired on October 20th, 2022, documented how widely adopted approaches to reading instruction did not align with cognitive science, and in some cases contributed to reading difficulties for many students. This reporting accelerated national attention to the science of reading and highlighted the importance of aligning instructional decisions with evidence. Each research source played a distinct role in shaping the workshop experience. Together, these evidence-based sources guided the workshop towards practices that not only reflect the science of how children learn to read, but serve to empower educators in how to strengthen skilled reading for all learners.